there. Hi guys, it's Missy here. Thank you so much for joining me. I am living my best dragon life today. I am feeling it with the sparkly eyeshadow, with the sparkly top that's like 7 sizes too big. But yeah, I say that all the time. If I can find the meme that I had, I will throw it up. But it's like, I like glittery things. I hoard shiny things. I'm like, yeah, I'm a dragon and makeup is my hoard. Anyway, we are here today to update my Colourpop color pan project that's all about Colourpop, 4th Ray, and Soul. I've been working exclusively on makeup. I do think I have one eye cream or maybe a face cream from 4th Ray that I may throw in here later in the year. But yeah, for now I'm working on mostly makeup. Although, so last month I didn't have the lip oils. This month I have one of the lip oils. I literally walked into the living room to get that other lip oil 5 times and I still didn't grab it. So let's start with that. I am working on this clear lip oil and I'm working on the one from the Mauve collection. Both of those they're about the same, like how much is left. I'm not taking the stopper out yet because they are goopy when you do. But those should both be finished by next month. So I'll at least have 2 empties. I don't have any empties this month, but hopefully next month we will. And maybe this will be an empty too. This is their Precision Brow Pencil in Bang & Brunette. I complained about this last update. It's just way too creamy. I can't roll it up because it doesn't roll back down. So we're at the mercy of the eyebrow pencil gods to know when the heck this will finish. Another one that we don't know is this. This is their cream gel liner in whatever the black color is. I have used this 11 times since the last update. So that's a total of 20 times that I've used this in that project. I tightline with it. It is in my waterline today. I really enjoy the formula. It's just the packaging, and yeah, they're just wasteful. They're not worth the money. So hopefully this will be gone. Again, I can't roll it up, so I don't know when. This may last all year. It may not last another week. We shall see. I have 2 things in for usage goals. Let's talk about the first one. This is the Floating Lights blush. This is a beautiful kind of pinky cool tone blush. I have it on top of the mauve blush that I just put in 50 Shades of Green, the one from Physicians Formula. This is it. I mean, it's just a beautiful, really cool toned pink. It's got a hint of purple to it. I think it's a really pretty cool toned blush. Goes with basically anything, purple, pink, etc. And again, my goal is to use this 10 times and I have so far used it twice, one of them being today. So that is staying in. Another one staying in is this. This is their Supernova Eyeshadow. These are so pretty. I don't know why they stopped making this formula because it's just so good. And I've had this for at least 2 years and it's nowhere close to being dry. So this is just a really pretty liquid eyeshadow. You can see where my mark is. I've actually used quite a bit of this. It says I've used it 4 times. I think I may have used it 5, but 4 is what I could remember. This is a gorgeous shade and I had been wearing it and pairing it with the Ciate kind of gold, white gold one. This is gorgeous. I don't understand why they don't make this formula anymore because I would rather have this formula than a Super Shock. I'm just saying. Anyway, my initial goal was to do, I think, 10 times. I think I'm going to leave this in and see if I can finish it this year. Because again, it's really, really pretty. You guys know I wear a lot of pink. It can go down as a base or it can be used on its own. So we're going to go ahead and leave this in to finish and we'll see how we do. No rush. We'll just see how we do. Okay, another finished product is this. This is the More is More blush stick. You can see the red mark is where I am today. I have used this 8 times since the last update for a total of, I think, 16. This is just a really pretty, I love this blush formula. I don't need a cream blush at all, but when I run out, I will probably purchase a few more of these. It's just a beautiful kind of pinky, peachy, gold shifting blush. This will go beautifully with chiffon, their Super Shock Cheek. If you have Tarte Frosé blush or the NARS Orgasm blush, it'll also go really pretty, like really well with those as well. really well with those as well. Good English over here today, y'all. So anyway, my goal is to finish that. I'm making good, steady progress. Again, I'm not in a rush to finish this because I just really enjoy it that much. And then last but not least of what has been here in here since the beginning, this is the Super Shock Cheek Highlighter in Seismic. My goal is to finish this. I have used it 8 times since the last update for a total of 10. I've gotten more use out of this because I finished Flexitarian in the last update. This is a very pretty cool tone, kind of champagne-y taupe highlighter. I have it topped on my cheeks today. It's very, very pretty. I really, really enjoy using it. And yeah, it's not a hardship to use. It's just a hardship to remember to use. It's like, oh yeah, put it on. Put it on, Misty. So that leaves me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to bring in one more. I can't stick to the 3 to 6, y'all. Okay, I can't stick. I want to get through some stuff. So I'm actually bringing in this because this is their Illuminator in Soft Ivory. If you guys know, I made this one, which is just about 7 shades too dark. So I'm hoping if I mix this with that, I'll get a perfect color. So let me kind of swatch. Ooh, a lot of that came out. I mean, look at that. Look at the different colors. Oy vey. So, oh, it's chunky. What am I doing? Colourpop. I probably need to shake it. So that's the Colourpop one, kind of blended out. But blended together, yep, this is going to be perfect. Why is that chunky? I think that's going to be really pretty. And it's going to be a primer. I've been working on the one from Rare Beauty. It's just about done. So I think this will be a helpful way to get use out of that other illuminator I made. I'll have to figure out why it's so goddamn chunky. I probably just need to shake it. Oh yeah, I just needed to shake it. Anyway, my goal is going to be to finish this. This is brand new. I'm going to go ahead and weigh this and we'll see. Because I don't know how many uses it'll take for us to like see a line of demarcation. So yeah. So for next update, the 2 oils, lip oils should be done. Hopefully this brow pencil is done. And I may have hit goal on this Rapunzel blush. We'll have to see. Anyway, I hope your project is doing well. I've tried to watch all the ones I can here on YouTube. There is one creator, I think they're sisters, that don't have their comments on. So if that's you, I've watched your videos. I just haven't been able to leave you a comment. And I try to comment on all the pictures on Instagram. A lot of people are doing it and I'm trying to keep up. And I'm not even doing it on Instagram, which is dumb because it's my project. Listen, I suck at Instagram, okay? Okay. All right. Anyway, that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you'll consider subscribing if you haven't already. Have a great day, night, weekend, wherever you are. Love your faces, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.